So I have heard that people are interested in getting free points at McDonald's. So today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited points using this McDonald's mod. So let's open it up right here and see what happens. So as you can see, I got 320 points, but in the mod menu, we can actually enable unlimited points and then get them for free. So we can get all the orders for free. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly to do this. It fully works, guys. Super insane. So I just enabled unlimited points. So let's see if they go up. So currently we got 320 points. So let's see if they increase. So currently there's no change, but it may come. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, my McDonald's points are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device so you can have unlimited points. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, I'm pretty sure at least, is go over here to this website, tweakmod.com, type in McDonald's, and you will see the mod, obviously. So go ahead and press install. So what was going to happen is there's going to be a verification as the final step, and you need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. So this is going to be completely free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see, and then it's going to install it onto our device. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load. Shouldn't take that long, so I'm just going to give it a second to load up. All right, so let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. So now we're at the end, guys. So we just need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. So as you can see, it says missing files. So just make sure you download 2 of them. They're all from the App Store, completely free. You can see Travel Town says reach level 9, TikTok down around 30 seconds. So just like press on it and then it will bring you to the Play Store and you literally just got to download it. So like a lot of people don't like this, but it's really easy. You can see download 2 games, whatever. Just do 2 of them, guys, and then you're going to have unlimited McDonald's points. Super insane. So yeah, as you can see, we got VIP, skip ads, all these settings, guys. So it's super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you're interested in having unlimited points at McDonald's, you have got to try this out, guys, right now, because it is fully working in 2025. So if you're depressed and you got no McDonald's points, I understand, but I'm coming at you with a solution right now. So this is fully working, guys. So be sure to try it out. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out. This is so awesome.